Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where you get to watch me eat something hot and spicy. And this week, this year, this time, I'm going to be doing the spiciest one I've done in a long time. Well, I'll just show you. We've got Samyang Buldak Spicy 3X spicy, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be hot. They're saying it's 3X. 1X is 4,400 Scoville heat units. 2X was 8,800. So obviously 3X, this sucker right here is going to be 13,200. I'm hoping it doesn't end up being a fail. I mean, there's a good possibility of it. I haven't done anything this spicy in quite a while. The spicier ones I've done were the 18 prohibited. Couldn't conquer that one. Then there was the Cully's, world's hottest ramen. That one hails from New Zealand. That one is number one on my spicy list. It's a tough one because that one, if there was the quantity of that Cully's as the same quantity as the 18 prohibited, there's no way I could finish that Cully's. But the Cully's is definitely hotter. It had more of an effect on me. I mean, it made me want to die, okay? It was hot. This is probably going to be pretty darn hot too. So here is a prepared bowl of my nemesis for the day. Really didn't do much to prepare for this. As in the cooking, in the episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, I mentioned I had some Manuka honey, which is a special kind of honey that has a lot of probiotic, a lot of curative properties, supposedly. It's really tasty honey, though. And I had quite a bit of this probiotic Greek yogurt drink that the kids enjoy, figuring it couldn't hurt. But now it's just me and this to make sure I don't get the hiccups. There we are. Here you are. And it's time for 3X. Alright guys, can you give me a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
Can we get that in unison? No? Alright. Really loud, ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go.
Alright, here we go.
Oh,
I'm gonna regret this, Miles. That's how I feel as well. Let's soak this up. What are you doing over there, Miles? Oh. Splattered on my nose, not in my eye. Stay away, Mimi. Done. Alright. That's the pot stuff. This is what Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.